Discuss the importance of time management in achieving personal and professional success in today's fast-paced society.
In our fast-paced world, managing time effectively is crucial for achieving personal and professional success. When I think back to my own experiences, I realize that time often goes by unnoticed, with many people wasting time on unproductive activities. This tendency can hold you up from reaching your goals, leaving leftover tasks that drag on and create stress. Historically, the concept of time management dates back to prehistoric times, when people had to organize their days from dawn till dusk. In the recent past, however, technology has transformed how we allocate our time. With distractions at every turn, it's easy to lose track of what truly matters. Many find themselves hurriedly trying to keep up with their responsibilities, often missing opportunities to spend quality moments with family. To make time for what is truly important, individuals must prioritize their tasks and set their alarms for key activities. When you take your time to plan effectively, you not only save time but also ensure that you have a great future ahead. In the not-too-distant future, those who master time management will likely have the time of their lives, as they'll be able to focus on meaningful experiences and relationships. Ultimately, as time passes, it's essential to reflect on how we spend our days. By learning to manage our time wisely, we can create a fulfilling and productive life, making every moment worth our while.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.